Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change name in Among Us. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your computer and simply access the Among Us game right over there. Upon doing that, you will be able to access the profile section in the menu section of the Among Us. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and choose your option of My Account. Once you have done that, all you have to do is simply choose the option of account right over there in the screen, and this will simply access the account ID of yours. You can see your previous username right over on the top, and if you would like to simply change the name right over here, all you have to do is scroll, and here in the bottom section you can find two options called manage account and the change username. Simply go ahead, tap on the change username option. After doing that, you will find this kind of little notification icon will be popping up for you to let your name change. All you have to do is simply tap on it and erase your previous one and simply enter the new name. You have to make sure that it does is the name that nobody has used before. Once you have confirmed, you can also tap on this little icon beside with the two arrow on it. It will simply suggest you some of the non-taken names, but you would like to add your own, simply add it and tap on this confirm, and your new name will be confirmed, which you can see it will be confirmed, and you will be able to find the change name on your ID, and you are good to go. That is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.